Hey guys, it's Kay. Now I'm sure you guys love an affordable case just as much as me, and they've come a long way in a relatively short space of time. They offer great looks and quality for the budget-minded builder, who is after that RGB bling. And that's exactly what Sahara have achieved with their new case, the EK33. So without further ado, let's check out this great package which comes in at $59.99. Compared to the Define R5 in the background, it has a smaller footprint and is only taller by 2 inches. The front port consists of 2 USB 3 ports and 2 USB 2 ports. Along with the power button comes a reset button, an RGB button and your microphone and headphone inputs. The tempered smoke glass panel is held on by 4 metal thumb screws, giving it a stylish and elegant look. On the back we have these arrow-shaped slots which are going to help vent the heat from the motherboard. And inside, Sahara gives a head start on the cable management front, and there's 2 slots for hard disks or SSDs. Also plenty of room for all sizes of power supply. There's also 2 more slots for SSDs inside the case next to the motherboard. On the top we've got ventilation for 2 12 or 14 cm fans with a convenient magnetic filter that just pops off, so very convenient for keeping your PC dust free. Incidentally, there's also a filter like this on the bottom of the PC to keep the power supply dust free. On the front we've got ventilation for 3 12mm or 14mm fans, and we've got room for 3 more 12mm fans on top of the power supply shroud, and finally room for 1 12mm fan on the back. On the back we've got thumb screws for the back panel, your input-output slot and your 7 expansion slots. Also you have here your mount holes for your power supply, which actually slides in from your back side panel. The full mesh approach on the front panel gives excellent airflow, and the gap between the feet and the case act as a good grip point to lift the case up. Now for the RGB element of this case, I've paired it with the Pirate 12cm RGB fan rings from Sahara. Also from Sahara I've got the Pirate control box, which is apparently capable of giving you 62 colour settings. In the end I opted to add 7 RGB fans, including 3 from Anades. My cable management was a bit of a rush job, but I'll clean this up further down the line. I found the OpenATX layout created an unrestricted airflow path from the mesh front intakes all the way through the components to the exhaust, giving this case excellent cooling capabilities. So the Sahara EK33 gets the TechFigure stamp of approval.